This activity is titled Plastic Free School Campaigns. Why? Just students will explore the connection between plastic production, pollution, and climate change, aiming to raise awareness about the environmental impact of single-use plastics and inspire action. They will organize a cleanup day, promote reusable alternatives, and advocate for plastic-free policies in school, cafeterias, and their own classroom. The Sustainable Development Goals treated are the number 12, the number 13, and the number 14. Age the activity is addressed to is from 9 to 14 years old, adapting the activity naturally. It could be estimated a duration of the activity of 10 hours in class and 5 hours in the fieldwork. The brainstorming, group discussion, project-based learning, field research, and data collection are methods, the methodology you can walk through. And materials needed are notebook, whiteboard, pens, scissors, and glue. And on the fieldwork for the cleanup day, you need bags, gloves, pens, and a standard table for each litter monitoring data collection. Just start with an introduction and a brainstorming, maybe 2 hours, discussing daily use of single-use plastic, for example, water bottles, food wrappers. Write ideas on the board, highlighting the prevalence of plastic in students' lives. Find alternatives, for example, water bottle instead plastic bottle. Show a short video or present data on plastic pollution and its environmental impact, focusing on oceans, wildlife, and human health. Tip: use resource links just like this video titled The Ocean Cleanup from WF International. The phase 2 is an organizational phase where you can organize the cleanup and then discuss consequences of plastic pollution. Here, for example, a simple 10 things you can do for trash-free seas. There are some suggestions, very direct and simple to use with students. And it should be important to explain plastic pollution, including the concept of plastic island, discuss plastic degradation and the time it takes to decompose. This is very important for students just to understand that plastic is really harmful because it takes a lot of time to degrade, to decompose. Divide the classroom into groups for research of eco-friendly alternatives to plastic identified earlier. It's important to discuss about the plastic waste journey to beaches and oceans to focus that what you do on Earth, it will affect the sea and oceans. Effective strategies to reduce plastic impact exist, and you can explore these strategies. Phase 3 fieldwork research and a cleanup activity. It's very useful for students directly understand on the field what is the importance of a clean environment. Students can conduct a beach or local cleanup wearing gloves and using bags to collect waste. They can also classify and identify the collected items using a waste monitoring table we provide you in the PDF. The goal is to demonstrate the extent of plastic pollution and its harm to marine life. The action can end with an artistic creation. Art from waste. This is a photo taken in an Italian school after cleanup a beach, several cleanup beaches, and so after removing hazardous materials, students create art pieces from collected waste. Art can be useful as an environmental message, displayed around the school to raise awareness. Optional, you can invite local artists, art students, or teachers of art to assist in the creative process. The final event, a plastic-free day event. You can organize a weekly, monthly plastic-free day at school where single-use plastics are banned at school. Encourage everyone to bring reusable items, promoting sustainable alternatives. Students may also host a small exhibition to showcase their projects and raise awareness. Optional fundraising is just to organize a market to raise funds for reusable bottles or water refill stations in school to obtain something concrete for the school. Evaluation and reflection are the active participation in group discussion and creativity, understanding the environmental impact of plastic waste, and the student feedback using questions like, what have you learned about plastics' impact on the environment? Which alternative materials seem most practical for our school? How can we ensure our initiatives for reducing plastic use successfully? You can find some information, further information, contacting us at this email. Thank you for your attention